So fellow traders, wanted to make a quick video saying that trading is not for everybody and is not a get quick rich thing. It's painful sometimes to trade. Like today, always was going up. It was a perfect trade. I got in here, but then this happened. Is it normal? It is in trade. Now, will I stick to it? We'll see by the end of the day, right? Same here. We're supposed to go up and into the 29. Oil, whatever happened, but today is just brutal on these markets. Well, the hour trade was good on the Sociedad. So, are you gonna lose money? Yeah, of course, until you learn that you always have to put stops and don't trade, something that you're not uncomfortable, because just expect you're gonna lose. Like here, I got in at almost here so I'm still in the money. Here I still got in here, so I might lost this percentage, but I'm still didn't lose my principal. So just be very careful. It's a tricky business. First year I remember I lost almost 80% of my portfolio. That was painful. But hey, just kudos for the ones who persist and try to figure it out. And again, it's not a get quick real thing. It's a painful process, but once you get a hold of it, it gives you freedom.